Moving to our next question. You have an on premises data center and an Azure subscription. The data center contains two VPN devices. The subscription contains an Azure virtual network named VNet1. VNet1 contains a gateway subnet. You need to create a site to site VPN. The solution must ensure that if a single instance in an Azure VPN gateway fails, or a single on premises VPN device fails, the failure will not be caused an interruption that is longer than 2 minutes. What is the minimum number of public IP address, virtual networks, local network gateways required in Azure? To answer, select the appropriate option in the answer area. This is the table for public IP address. This is the table for virtual network gateways, and this is the table for local network gateways. The answer part, the ones highlighted with green. Public IP addresses 4, virtual network gateways 2, and local network gateways 2. Our next question is, you have an Azure subscription named subscription 1. You plan to deploy an Ubuntu server virtual machine named VM1 to subscription 1. You need to perform custom deployment of the virtual machine. A specific trusted root certification authority must be added during the deployment. What should you do? To answer, select the appropriate option in the answer area. This is the table for file to create, and this is the table for tool to use to deploy the virtual machine. This is the answer area, the ones highlighted with green color. Moving to our next question. You have an Azure subscription. You need to implement a custom policy that meets the following requirements. Ensures that each new resource group in the subscription has a tag named organization set to value of contoso dot. Ensures that resource group can be created from the Azure portal. Ensures that compliance reports in the Azure portal are accurate. How should you complete the policy? To answer, select the appropriate option in the answer area. This is the hot area. Now moving to the answer part. The one highlighted with green is the correct answer. Our next question is, you plan to deploy 20 Azure virtual machines by using an Azure Resource Manager template. The virtual machines will run the latest version of Windows Server 2016 data center by using the Azure Marketplace image. You need to complete the storage profile section of the template. How should you complete the storage profile section? To answer, select the appropriate option in the answer area. This is the hot area. Now the answer part, the ones highlighted with green are the correct answer. Moving to our next question. You plan to create a new Azure Active Directory role. You need to ensure that the new role can view all the resources in the Azure subscription. An issue supports Request on Microsoft. The solution must use principle of least privilege. You should How should you complete the JSON definition? To answer, select the appropriate option in the answer area. This is the hot area. This is the answer area, the ones highlighted with green color. If you are looking for any particular certification which is currently not available on our channel, please mention in the comment. Our team will work on it.